Hello and welcome to my channel. In case you've been using auto login feature to sign in to your Facebook account, sometimes you may forget your password, and you may wonder how to check your password. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to check your safety password on your device. Before we proceed, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel. Let's jump right into our video. To begin with, you will have to open your Gmail account, that's Gmail application. Click on the three dots, then navigate to settings. You scroll down. Then here is the list of all mails that you've signed in your device. You click your desired one. Then you will see here option for manage your Google account. You click manage your Google account. As you can see, this manage your Google account. Then you will be redirected to this page. Home, you see personal info, data and privacy. Then we have security. In security, you'll have to scroll down until you see password manager, your safety passwords, you see. So you click this. Then you look for Facebook. These are 12 accounts for Facebook. You enter your fingerprint, and here is your password. So you'll look for the particular account. Then you click this eye icon to unlock your password. The second method, we are going to use Chrome browser. Then you will have to click three dots in the top right corner, then settings. Then you will navigate to password manager. Click password manager. Then you will have to look for Facebook accounts passwords. You click facebook.com, then you fingerprint. Then you will find the passwords for all the accounts saved on your device. Then you click the eye icon to unlock your password. The third and last method I'm going to show you is using your settings. Go to accounts. Then you select the particular mail in which you saved this password. Then your Google account. Then again you will see this security tab here. You click and scroll until you find password manager. So you look for Facebook accounts. Here you'll find all passwords saved for every account, so long as you saved on your device. Then you click on this eye icon to unlock your password. Also check these other videos. Bye.